Precision is the key that unlocks perfection in gear manufacturing. And today, we're diving deep into the world of gear shapers to reveal their vital role in creating precise and high-quality gears. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest additions to our machine selection. I'm thrilled to share an exciting update with you. Recently, these two state-of-the-art Pama gear shapers has arrived to our Indian warehouse. One of these cutting-edge machine has to be delivered to our esteemed client. Further in the video, you can see us trying the machine before handing it over the client. Right now, we are checking the machines before buying them. And in the meantime, an operator shows us how it works. Our curiosity took over. Gear shapers are specialized machines that play a critical role in gear manufacturing. Unlike other gear cutting methods like milling or hobbing, gear shapers utilize a unique reciprocating cutting motion to shape gears with precision and accuracy. They can cut both internal and external gears, making them versatile for various applications. The advantages of gear shapers are significant. They offer unparalleled precision, achieving tight tolerances and exceptional surface finishes for smooth gear operation. Gear shapers are also highly efficient, reducing production time and cost by shaping multiple teeth in a single pass. Additionally, they provide excellent repeatability, ensuring consistent quality across manufactured gears. Gear shapers revolutionize the manufacturing process by delivering gears with exceptional precision, efficiency, and repeatability. Their ability to shape various types of gears and produce high-quality results makes them indispensable in industries where gears play a vital role. Gear shapers unlock the potential for creating gears that meet stringent requirements and perform optimally in demanding applications. The Pama Oma 805S is a true marvel, boasting exceptional specifications that set it apart from the rest. With a maximum gear diameter of 285 millimeters and a stroke length of 70 millimeters, this machine empowers manufacturers to create gears of various sizes with utmost precision. This part of the video has been taken inside our Indian warehouse in Faridabad, as we were checking the machine before delivering to one of our clients. We always make sure that all of our machines are ready to start working as soon as delivered. Thanks to our team of experts, the client will be satisfied with certainty. Have you had the chance to work with the OMA 805S gear shaper? We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you've used this machine or have any experiences or insights to share, please let us know in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us and our community of gear enthusiasts. Together, we can deepen our understanding and appreciation for this remarkable piece of machinery. So don't hesitate to share your thoughts with us. We're excited to hear from you. And that wraps up our exploration of the incredible Pama gear shaper. If you're looking to take your gear manufacturing to new heights, this machine is definitely worth considering. Contact us today to learn more about the OMA 805S and how it can elevate your gear production. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content on gear technologies and precision manufacturing.